Hello, AP Physics 1. It's Mr. Ng, and I am doing Chapter 2, number 41. A great question. A great question for you guys to figure out because, well, it has no numbers in it. Uh, here we go. If air resistance is neglected, show algebraically that a ball thrown vertically upward with a speed of v naught will have the same speed, v naught, when it comes back down. Meaning, if we were to throw something up, right, this magnitude of v naught should be the same as this magnitude v naught. All we gotta do is prove that it's the same thing. Great question. Very few things that we know, right? No numbers, which is great because this is exactly what the AP Physics test is going to look like. But we do know that this thing is going to have a velocity of 0. So let's do the same thing that we've been doing this whole time. V, V, A, T, X. On this side, V naught is some sort of speed. Let's just call it V naught. But we do know that V final is going to be 0. We know that A is going to be G. I'm just going to leave it at G. Fewer numbers, right? Negative G if you want. T is going to be T. X is going to be X. I know for you, you're like, but that did nothing, Ing. Just trust me on this. We do know one equation that we can use. Vf is equal to V naught plus AT. Right? Remember that? It's the equation that's the simple equation for what final velocity is. Why did I choose this equation? To be fair, I could have chosen any equation, but this is the simplest one, and it ignores x, so now I don't need to worry about x. And it's got everything I want. It's got a VF, a V naught, and A and T, and it's the easiest one, so I figured I'd use this one. Right? So that means 0 is equal to V naught plus negative GT, or minus GT, fine. That means that V naught is equal to, I'm just going to move the V over, is equal to GT, right? Okay, so we know that this thing, this velocity, is G times T. Okay, pretty good. That's the change. So now let's go over here. VO, VF, ATX, right? V initial this time is now 0. V final is the thing that we want to know. A is yet again negative G. T is equal to T. X, we don't care because we're using that equation again. So again, VF is equal to V naught plus AT. We now know that V naught is 0. So VF is equal to 0 plus AT, or VF is equal to negative GT. What? GT again, right? V naught is GT. V final is negative GT. We just solved it, right? Because it's asking for the speed. Yeah, of course the direction is going to be different, up versus down. So the signs are different, but the magnitude is the same. The speed is the same. So simple and easily done. Okay, thanks for watching.